Time for the Monday edition of The Law and You right here on Eyewitness News with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
We love Mondays.
I don't know about that. That was definitely in jest. All right, well, we'll get to our question anyway. We appreciate your enthusiasm, though, Ed. Work for a big company, Walter in Plymouth says. I came up with an idea to improve one of the products that we sell. Do I have to give this idea to them for free? What can Walter in Plymouth here do about the thought?
Well, Walter, you probably are going, you're probably going to have to give them the idea. I mean, if you're developing that product idea, at work using their materials, then there probably is going to be some language in your employment agreement that says any intellectual property, which is basically what this is, any intellectual property is going to be controlled by by the company. But best thing to do is, if you have an employment agreement, get it and then call an attorney that specializes in intellectual property law, patent law, which is something that Greg and I absolutely unequivocally do not do.
Yeah, Ed's piece of advice is right. This area, a couple things. One, it's very, very litigious. There's a ton of lawsuits going on over intellectual property. So if you ever have an idea or come across something like that, make sure you reach out to a professional, a legal professional who really knows how to handle these issues, because some of these ideas can be extremely valuable, and if you don't protect your interest early, then you have a potential of losing it. So there are guys who clearly specialize in this type of law. If you have a question on one of those, you give us a call. We'll point you in the right direction.
All right, some good advice for our viewers who want to give you a call. How can they do that?
They call us 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com, and that hotline was buzzing this weekend. So that's always on.
And Walter, we're still waiting for our first $1 million invention, by the way, as well. So, we're in the same boat, buddy.
All right, good advice as always. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, great to see you.
Take care, Dave.
All right, don't forget, if you want to get a question here on The Law and You, just visit PAHomepage.com or call the Law and You hotline.